Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video we will be going to look at a very common function which is widely used in Microsoft Excel, that is count function. What it does is it counts the number of values in particular range of cells. Also one more thing which is important to understand, that it will only count numerical values in that particular range of cells. If you have any text value in between, it will ignore that and it will only give result for numerical values. So let's try. I'll add header. Again, similar setup. What we have to do is we have to select the cell, go to insert function, type count. It will give us definition, count the number of cells in the range that contains numbers. Again, argument box, will select the range. There you go, 5. So when I said numerical values only, so what we'll do, we'll try to delete one value and we'll see if it counts it or not. Now I have removed one value, so it has given us count 4. I'll try to add some text. It has not taken it. So we understood that it is only taking the values which are numerical in nature. Anything other than that, it will just ignore it. We'll do it for one more cell. Insert function, count, select range, click OK. There you go. Same setup for all the functions. Try it out.